In a world divided by national boundaries, time zone, laws, and culture, accessibility to good farm produce for a nourished life is a basic need. Sadly, not everyone enjoys this privilege. Food commodities like sunflower oil, spices, and crop produce like wheat have an inflated rate when there is tension across borders. Did you know that the sunflower oil claims to be the highest consumed vegetable oil in the US? With that ever-rising demand, in 2022 alone, the US had to import close to $505 million worth of sunflower oil from other nations to meet this ever-rising demand. A weed management system to facilitate local produce of sunflower, reduce labor costs associated in fields, and facilitate the growth of sunflower by ensuring there is no weed infestation. Why weed management, you may ask? Studies show that when sunflower grows in a heavily weed-infested field, the sunflower oil content from the seeds can reduce drastically by 60% as compared to a weed infestation-free field, presenting a predictive, intelligent monitoring system, Weed Terminator. There are 4 subsystems. 1. MIO-WISE. It has the MIO 5272 IoT Developer Board and the WISE 4012E. The MIO houses the weed emergence prediction logic, the Weed Terminator notification hub, and control logic for WISE. 2. Pump subsystem. It consists of pump, pipes, and nozzles. It is controlled by the digital relay of WISE, and it is automated to turn on the pump and spray herbicide on the predicted day of weed emergence. 3. Robo subsystem. It is the PyCarX off-the-shelf robo which traverses the terrain, collects pictures of the field, and uploads it to Google Drive. 4. Image processing subsystem. It runs on Google Colab to detect presence of weed from pictures uploaded to the Google Drive, and it provides user notification to turn the pump on upon weed detection. On clicking Start Prediction, the date of weed emergence is calculated and pump is scheduled to run within that day when precipitation is the least. A push notification with the scheduled date is sent to the user and the pump runs automatically on the scheduled date. Upon completion of the automated pump run, the user gets a notification of the same and is requested to place the robo on the field to monitor the farm for further weed emergence. The robo captures images of the base of flowers and uploads it to the Google Drive. The robo returns to the starting point at the end of the traversal. The image is captured by the robot, is then fed to the image processing code that identifies weed. If weed is detected, a push notification is sent to the user about the weed detection. Now the user is given the option to act on the weed detected notification and turn on the pump subsequently. If at any point the user wants to override the pump subsystem that is running, the user can click Emergency Stop. A push notification indicating the stopping of pump is subsequently received. The financial projection for weed management over 3 years for a 10-acre field is as follows. Through manual weed control, it is $144,000, chemical weed control, $130,000, and using our solution Weed Terminator, it is $64,000. In the first 2 months, we decided the topic, designed the subsystems, completed purchase requests, and started configuring the MIO and WISE. Subsequently, upon receiving our first set of components, we built POCs for every subsystem and tested them. We then focused on integrating the subsystems, and at this point, we started gathering more weed images through field visits to train the image processing code. And in the last 2 months, we completed the notification hub and push notification feature. We built testbeds for demo. We improved the robo navigation, tweaked the circuits in the system, and prepared videos and posters.
Hi, I'm Smriti Ganesh and I'm the team lead for the project. I was responsible for the MIO-WISE subsystem implementation, the GUI design, and the system integration between MIO-WISE subsystem, pump subsystem, and the robo subsystem. Apart from that, I served as the key communication link between the faculty coordinator and Advantech company liaisons.
Hello, my name is Ganesh Shah, and for Weed Terminator, I was handling the robot subsystem. Basically, to make sure that the robot moves on the field, is able to take pictures at every step, and also upload it to the cloud. In addition, I also helped gather some data sets for the image processing. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tanvir Hannan. In the project, I contributed to the image processing part by developing and implementing various algorithms and techniques to analyze and classify images.
My name is Charlotte Rumberget, and I work primarily on the pump subsystem in order to develop and implement a rugged system that can provide irrigation to the crops as needed, while also being able to withstand many kinds of weather conditions. As well, I also worked on the back-end software to the project where I developed Python code to help our farm perform its essential functions and duties.